It's Tuesday, October 3rd, and today would have been my dad's 105th birthday. What? Seems like it doesn't seem like he's been gone quite that long. I think he was 84 when he died, so anyway. Happy birthday, Dad. All right, I haven't talked to you lately about my beautiful magnetic pins, and so I decided I would give you I was sort of thinking about bugs and butterflies, and then I found a frog that I really like. So let's look at all my butterflies. All of these are $27. Oh, no, not all of them. Most of these are $27. Two of them are not. It's $27.95. So just let me show you these butterflies, and if you're interested, call me. You know that they have a magnet on the back, and they are, super strong. Oh my gosh. And then it runs across the room and it sticks to a different one. Okay, so this is the back. This is the magnet, and whoop, there it goes. And it will hang on to anything. So you can wear them as a lapel pin or something on a suit. So they're beautiful. All right, so that's the first one. This is number 2, all in sort of a celadon green. I like that, kind of interesting. This one is enameled, little lime and turquoise. You know I love that. And I think it's artificial garnets. Those are little red stones that are in there. This one is kind of orchid colored, but beautiful if you're a purple person. Perfect for you. Now we have, this one is a dragonfly, which is just beautiful. I love sparkly stuff. Sparkly stuff is in. And then these two are $30. He's beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at all those colors. And this one is very subtle but elegant in kind of black and marcasite. I love it. Those two are $30. And last but not least, I love this frog. I thought I'd show it to you for all you frog lovers. How cute is he? He's $27.95. Cute, cute, cute. All right, those are my pins from South Beach. Love them. I have many other characters, critters, hearts, and all kinds of things. So they're fun. They're great. Make lovely gifts. I'm telling you, gifts. We got back in the Crochet Know-How book. This is a great explanatory know-how, show you how to do it. So we got that back in, and we also got in the knitting know-how. So we have the crochet know-how and the knitting know-how. These guys are, $16.99. That's what they are. All right, I think that's it for today. Tomorrow's Wednesday. It's gonna be bingo, because it'll be the 4th, the first Wednesday of the month. So bingo tomorrow night. Don't miss it. Social knitting from 5 to 7, bingo from 6 to 7. You could win some good prizes. All right, I think that's it. I'll see you tomorrow.